Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Expensify, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Expensify app from your device's app store. Once the download is complete, open the app and create an account if you don't have one. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the budgeting feature in the main menu. Click on the budgeting tab to access budgeting tools. Select Create a new budget to start your budgeting process. Input your budget title that reflects the purpose of the budget. Next, set the budget period, whether it's weekly, monthly, or yearly. Now, specify the total amount for your budget. Add individual categories for expenses related to your budget. For each category, assign a specific amount based on your planned expenses. Review your budget summary to ensure all details are correct. Once satisfied, save your budget. To track your expenses, navigate back to your dashboard. Click on Add Expense to log a new expense. Input the details, including the amount and the category it falls under. Upload any receipts if necessary for better record keeping. After entering the expenses, check the remaining budget in each category. Adjust your spending habits if you're nearing your budget limits. Periodically revisit your budget to make updates as needed. Utilize the reporting feature to analyze your spending trends. Consider setting up alerts to notify you of your spending activity. With consistent use, Expensify will help you maintain financial discipline. Follow these steps to efficiently manage your budget with Expensify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.